So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come here www.gigabyte.com, this officially website. After that, this is search icon and then enter the model number of your graphic card. AORUS Radeon RX 7900 XTX Elite 24G. After that, click on product and this is your graphic card. Just click on it. After that, click on support. Then select your operating system, which is you require Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. AMD driver and click to download. So now you can see it is start downloading. It will take some time. So wait few seconds. So after that, click on three dot and then click on download. So you can see it is start downloading and this is size. So after it is completed, then click on this icon. After it open this location where it is downloading. Okay. Then right click and run as administrator. If you are Windows 10, so show more and then click on run as administrator. After that, click on yes. And then click on install. After that, this is extracting to your system. Now you can see this is installing, so it will take some time. and it is after installed then close it.